again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to share reaction. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love. To all my fellow content creators out there, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you for the support, for the love, for always sharing out my video. If you are new to my channel, you have subscribed. Please, before the end of this video, make sure you subscribe, put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love. Okay, guys, today is going to be an unboxing video. Okay, I bought a new facial brush cleaner and I want to unbox it with you guys. I said, why not show it to you guys? This is my new brush, the one I used to wash my face and my body. I have one before, it's already old. This is my old one, it's broken. Then I got this new one. This is the brush that comes with it, and the rest of the brush there is already old, but I got a new one. Then I decided to show it to you guys while I bought it, and I'm going to try it for you guys too. Okay, this is the it's called Visage facial cleanser. Okay, this is not a sponsored video. Okay, I'm just unboxing it for you guys. I want to show it to you guys. Okay, it's not a sponsored video. Okay, I use my home money to buy this. Okay, bought by me. Okay, let's open it and see what's inside. This has the I think it comes with how many brush? 1 2 3 4 5 with 6 brush. Okay, and it comes with a battery. Then it has it comes with a battery, and this one, love, is very handy. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, I'm just going to try my best to comes with this manual. You can see the manual. It's written with English and Spanish. Okay, this manual, before you use it, you can just go ahead and read. I don't have time to read it. I've already used it before. I know how it works. I don't need to read the manual. Let me raise it up. Okay. Oops. Yeah, it goes. Look at it, guys. It's so amazing, so beautiful. Okay, this is the handle, and this is a big brush. You can use this one to take shower, like to brush yourself if you want to under the shower. When you're in the shower, then you just put it like this. You see, you just put the brush. This one is so big and it's soft. It's not that strong. You can also use it for your face, but I don't use this for my face. I use the smallest one for my face. This is what I use for my face. I use this too for my face. Then I use this one for my body. I use the big one, and it comes with a foam too. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. Okay. Then it has this one for your feet. It's like a stone, like for scrubbing under your feet, your heels. Okay. And it comes with a little cover. After using it, you can just cover it back. Then this is the battery that comes with it. Okay. Come with 2. Okay. This is another battery. Come with this 2 battery. going to open this place. I'm going to open this place. How do you open it? Okay. Then let's put the battery. Let me put the battery. I want to open this thing. Okay guys, I've put the battery inside. Let's cover it. I'm going to cover it now. I'm going to cover it, then let's try with this brush. This brush is so soft. All you just have to do, just put the brush in there like this. Then this is the horn where you can horn it or just press it. This press it. And then I press it. Okay. It seems easy to. Okay. You guys, let me wash my face. Let's see. Okay. What I'm gonna do. Okay, let me wipe my face first, okay? I just want to try it for you guys, okay? Let me wipe my face. Let me wipe my face. Just clean up. Okay, I'm done wiping my face with my face wipe. Then what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to get the brush. This one I'm going to be using right now. Then I have my DIY Africa Black Soap. Okay, this is my DIY shampoo. No, not shampoo. You can use it for, yeah, I did it for shampoo, but I still use it for my face too. You can use it for your hair, you can use it for your face, and you can use it to take showers. This is all-purpose Africa Black Soap. What I'm gonna do, I'll just shake it, give it a quick shake. I have the video of this DIY. I'm gonna leave it in my description box. Okay. This is my old one. I got it online. I got this one online, but this new one I bought it. I found it in the store, then I bought it. I think it was like a few weeks ago. Yeah, the old one I bought it online, but this one I bought it in the store at Aldi. If you live here in America, you know Aldi store. That's where I bought it, and it was on a good deal, $9.99. I bought it for $9.99, but when I bought the first one online, I bought it for $99, almost $20. No, I'm just gonna go for a clean and wipe my face. You have to be careful with the soap so that the soap will not get in your eyes. Is that all the soap? Because you don't want. Okay, that's what. That's my brush I use on my face. So much I love the brush. And when you're done, just wrist it, dry it, and keep it. That's it. Let's shake it out. Give it a shake. Look at the brush. It's so good. It's not that heavy. So light. And this one, I use this one for my body. Like sometimes after using my Africa sponge to scratch my scrub my body, I use this sometimes too. Okay. Then this one is for face also, but this one is very soft, and this one too is very soft. And this one is for your heel, for your feet, if you want to use it for your leg. And that's it, guys. I so much love the brush. It's so easy to manipulate with my face. Then after I'm done doing my face, in scrubbing neck also, you can use the brush also for your neck. Then I'll take my Cetaphil. You can see I'll take some and just rub on my face. That's it. All done. I'm done. Okay, that's it. That's my new brush. I just want to share it with you guys. I just want to show you guys my new baby. This is what I use for my face to wash my face. See my face? So smooth. Okay guys, I think I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys love it. Okay, I've been using this one for the past let me say a year plus now. I've been using this. This is the old one. It's broken. It's not working anymore. I think it fell down, or I think it fell down here. I don't know what really happened, but it's not working anymore. I changed the battery, but it's still not working. But luckily, I came across this when I went shopping at Aldi supermarket. Aldi supermarket. That's where I found this one. I was so happy, and it was so cheap for $9.99. I bought this online for $19.99, and they are the same thing, the same exact thing, but I find it more cheaper at the store. Okay guys, I think I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please thumbs up for me, and if you are new, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, and stay safe out there. Bye guys. I love you guys. Bye.